Hi, this is Linda Dunn with StockValu.com, and in my last video I was explaining to you that I spent 15 years analyzing stocks on Wall Street. So I'm sharing with you my perspective, and I think right now, as I mentioned before, we're in an inflection point. So what does that mean? Well, stocks look out 6 months typically or longer, so really we should be looking at what's going to be in the news and so forth over the next year, basically 2023. So the market's already cooked in what's happening this year. That's why the market's down so much year to date, because of all the negative things that have happened, like inflation and interest rates going up, supply chain issues, etc., and COVID's still around. So why do I think that now is an important time? Well, for one thing, sort of sarcastically, stocks tend to move often in the July-August period. Why is that? Because a lot of Wall Street goes on vacation. And so we have very low volumes, and the people who are in buying and selling can have a bigger impact on the market. And that's what pension funds do. It takes them months to get into a position. They're buying or selling hundreds of millions of dollars. So this is something we'll probably see, I'm guessing. And also that, we've seen some longer term issues starting to rationalize themselves, like the Fed has raised rates. That's going to have an impact on inflation. And a lot of companies are starting to get their hands around reducing costs, mitigating the impacts on their earnings there. Are all the negatives gone? Of course not. But at the inflection point, things are starting to look a little better. Maybe third or fourth quarters, management will start talking about those things. So it's difficult to know what to do in the market at any point in time, but I would advise people to look longer term. And I think we've all heard that. But right now, short-term issues are giving you a good buying opportunity. So we're going to talk more about maybe which stocks are attractive, but in general, as I see it, what happened was a lot of this year's earnings got shoved into last year because of the act that Congress passed to help consumers. So we got to look at it over a 3-year period, so things probably aren't as gloom and doom as they seem. So that, my friends, is something to keep your eye on, and we will talk more in future videos. Thank you. Have a good day.